Use synthetic division to find the quotient and remainder. I have the polynomial 2x squared minus 2x cubed minus 21x squared plus 9x minus 200, and I'm going to divide that by x minus 11. Okay, I can only use synthetic division if I'm dividing by x minus c or x plus c. The coefficient of x has to be 1. If not, we have to make some adjustments. We will discuss that at some point later. Okay, so I have that here though. I have x minus 11, so my c is 11. That's what I'm going to divide by. So I'm going to put the polynomial p inside the little synthetic division bar. So I write down the coefficients. Make sure that your exponents are in order in descending power. 3, 2, 1, 0. If that's okay, everything is as it should be, then you can just write that in your little synthetic division box. So 2, negative 21, 9, negative 200. Like that. Okay. So I'm dividing by x minus 11, so I put the 11 out here. So draw a line like this, and the first step on synthetic division is to bring down bring down this first term. Let's just do red. Bring down this. Okay, if you bring that down, you have a 2 right here. So then we have 11 times 2. That's 22. Okay, you'll see what I did there? Multiplied 11 times 2, and I put it right there. Okay, then we are going to combine these. So add these up. So you get negative 21 plus 22, which is a positive 1. And then we're going to take this 11 and multiply it by that 1 and put the answer right there. So 11 times 1 is 11, like that. Then we're going to add these, combine these. 9 plus 11, we know that's 20, right? Okay, and then we follow the same pattern. What do you think we do next? We just take 11 times 20 and stick it here. Let me do that, I guess, in, see this color? 11 times 20, and I stick the answer right there. So 11 times 20 is positive 220. I have negative 200 plus 220. I have 20 as my remainder. So remember that your form is, you have a polynomial, p of x, it's equal to d of x times q of x plus r of x. The d of x is the divisor. Q of x is the quotient. And r of x is the remainder. The p of x is the polynomial on top. Sometimes we call that the dividend. Okay? So I could write this as my dividend, 2x cubed minus 21x squared plus 9x minus 200 equals my divisor times my quotient. The divisor, this was 11 because it was x minus 11, is x minus 11 times the quotient is what's left, except this last, put like a little, kind of ignore this last one just for now. Okay, so if this was x cubed, this is going to be x squared. This is 2x squared plus 1x plus 20. That's my quotient. And the remainder is 20. Okay, and you take a second and you FOIL it back out and see if it's true. So this is x times 2x squared. That's 2x cubed plus x times x is x squared plus x times 20 is 20x. Then we do a negative 11 times all three pieces. Negative 11 times 2x squared is negative 22x squared. Negative 11 times 1x is negative 11. And negative 11 times 20 is negative 220. I'm going to add the 20 back here. What do I get? 2x cubed minus 21x squared. 20 minus 11 is 9. Then I have negative 220 plus 20, that's negative 200. You see we get the same thing? Okay. So the quotient part, was 2x squared plus x plus 20. The remainder is 20. So I'm going to scroll down just a second. And notice again I have the note, we can only use synthetic division with divisors of the form x minus c or x plus c. We have the remainder theorem. If the polynomial p of x is divided by x minus c, then the remainder is p of c. Okay, so that means if I'm looking at this and I say what is p of 11, the answer is going to be 20 every time.